Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to start mining Kaspa coin. Kaspa is one of the newest coins for mining, and many people want to know how to configure and run mining rigs to mine Kaspa. First, I will not explain too much about Kaspa. You can go in this site kaspa.org and you will find any information you want for this coin. It uses, for us miners, it uses hashing algorithm heavy hash, and it depends from graphic cards. I am using AMD graphic cards, and for AMD graphic cards, from my point of view, it uses more power for mining than Ergo, and less power for mining that Ethereum or Ethereum Classic. So first thing, you need to find where you can mine Kaspa coin. You need to find mining pool on mining pool stats.stream. When you go to this site, in search coins you can enter Kaspa, and it will pop up here. And now you can see this is the 6 pools where you can mine Kaspa coin. I am using Woolly pool, but you can try any other pool you want. This is the Woolly pool. And if you see, this is all the coins you can mine on this pool, and here is Kaspa. Click on this, and in connection you can see any information how to start, how to connect to Woolly pool to mine Kaspa. I will not use this. I want to show you some other site when it can be much easier to set up your miners. So, as the information, this is the Kaspa block explorer, and first thing you need to do, you need to find wallet for Kaspa. You can use some of the exchanges where Kaspa is listed. Personally, I use tradeogre.com, and I am using address from here, and my mined coins goes directly to the exchange. This is not good for a longer period. This is only if you want to sell them immediately, or for store it for a short time. If you want to keep the coin and wait to rise with the price and earn more than is today, you can use some of the wallets on their website, on the Kaspa website. The easiest way is web mobile wallet. In resources on kaspa.org, in resources, you can find web mobile wallet, desktop wallet, and command line wallet. Use this web mobile wallet. This is the easiest way. It will open new link, and it will say welcome to Kaspa wallet, create new wallet. Click on this button. set up your password. Confirm this password one more time and click next. You need to write these 12 words. This is your seed phrase, and make sure you write on the safe place and not lose this 12 words, because you can not restore the wallet if something happens. So write it down. After you write these 12 words, click on the next button and answer the question, what is the sixth word? For me is betray. And 2 more checks to go. What is the 11th word is switch. And what is the 12th word is undo. And I succeeded. Click on done. So this is your wallet, and you can see this is your Kaspa address. This is the easiest way to get the Kaspa wallet. So next thing is to find mining software, and for Kaspa wallet I am using Server miner, but you can go to this site hashrate.no, and you can find here many settings for your cards, or if you go in this line, if you go to miner options here, in miner options, you can set up your mining software here very easily. First step is to select type of your GPUs, NVIDIA or AMD. I am using AMD. Next step is select coin to mine. Click here and find Kaspa. This is the Kaspa coin. And click on the next step. Now you can see that you have, in the third step, you have select miner. You have 3 choices: wall miner, buzzer miner, and server miner. I am using server miner. And in the next step, you can choose pool for Kaspa. Here is only 3 pools, but this is the biggest 3 pools. So I am using Woolly Pooley, and you select what pool do you want and click on the next step. Now this is the options for location where you're from mining. For Woolly Pooley is the world, and you cannot change if you are from. For other pools, maybe it's USA, Europe, Russia, Asia, but for Woolly Pooley it's just world. Select, this is already selected, and click on the next step. Now here you need to enter your wallet. So copy your wallet and enter in this box here and click on the next step, and it says done, your miner options. So you have 2 options for simple mining and for Windows. If you're using simple mining, you can just copy and paste this line, or if you are using Windows, you can copy this line in batch file in the miner. Miner, you can download miner, just type it in server miner, And in the first link, it will open the scalableminer.com website, and you can download it from here, download from GitHub, and this is where you can download your miner. When download is done, open mining folder from the miner, and in this many files you need to find start mining Kaspa. You can edit this, open this file with text editor. This type, okay. And now in this line you see that there is already have some information for your batch file, but go to hash rate node and copy this line. And open text editor, and you can paste this here. So you can see that now the pool is pool your wallet, and for password this is not correct. You can enter just X, and to set up your worker you need to enter dot after the Kaspa address, and after the dot you enter your worker. It's need to look something like this. Save this file, and you are ready to go to mine in from Windows. Now I will show you how to set up your simple mining rigs. Okay, open your simple mining dashboard and go to the group config. Now you can see here that you have this button here, add new group config. Click on that, name your group, check this box, run as root, select your miner from the, you can scroll on this and you will find Saraba Miner Multi. This is the miner, and select miner version. The latest version is 1.0.8. And now in this miner options, go again in hash rate no, and select this first line or click on copy on this button and replace this with your line. So it will look something like this. Not forget just to change this password. So for password enter X, and after the address enter dot and $, rig name, and you can save it. Now you have your sheet for mining Kaspa. this is something, I think that this is the everything you need to know about mining Kaspa. And if you want to find more information, you can go on CoinMarketCap and search for Kaspa. Here you can find the current price, markets, and historical data, some news about Kaspa and other coins, some predictions, and in more info, nothing. You will find nothing in the moment. So this is my tutorial video for Kaspa coin. I hope you find this useful. If this was a useful video for you, and in any way I help you to set up your miners, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button just to help me to grow my channel. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.